Hanchuan Xinliya Garment Factory, with an annual production capacity of 8 million pairs of high-quality women's trousers. On one side, large volume orders demand high efficiency, while on the other, small batch quick response orders require premium quality. Under this dual pressure, Xinliya joined hands with Jack Technology to complete a full-scale intelligent factory upgrade, delivering remarkable improvements in both quality and efficiency. Overall production efficiency increased by 30%, product rework rates dropped by 15%, and order delivery cycles were shortened by 20%, from pre-sewing material preparation to in-sewing production. The entire process was intelligently upgraded. A total of 7 Jack intelligent hanging systems were installed throughout the factory. Cut pieces now flow automatically, eliminating the need for manual transportation and completely solving issues such as missing pieces, slow circulation, and disconnected processes. For standard basic women's trousers, single-line daily output increased from 800 pieces under the JIT model to 1,000 pieces, with production efficiency surging by 25%. Average employee income also increased by 30%. In addition, style changes and urgent order insertions became far more flexible, allowing multiple styles to run simultaneously, fully maximizing flexible manufacturing capabilities. Combined with Jack Cloud Intelligent Manufacturing Management software, production data became visible in real time, with the entire process controllable, traceable, and searchable. This truly saves manpower, time, and labor effort. Today, Xinliya's annual production capacity has surged from 5 million to 8 million pieces, enabling the factory to efficiently respond to both large and small orders, while steadily strengthening its core competitive advantage in the industry.